It's funny how a 20-minute job could turn into like a whole day ordeal. Enough with the talking. This here is a how to remove the clutch drum screw that holds the clutch drum onto the clutch for your Stihl FS line trimmer, edger, weed eater, weed whacker, whatever you want to call it. This is how I got the job done. Okay, so my problem was that I took the T20 Torx key, I put it through the hole onto the screw. Come to find out, it's stripped now. I stripped it. It wasn't stripped before, I stripped it. So what I needed to do was come out with a solution on how to remove or how to get access to the screw so that I could remove it. So using this very same Torx key, I measured the depth of how much play I have, how much room I have before I could hit the head of the screw. So with that in mind, pulled it out, measured it up, I made a line. Out come the angle grinder. Now I used some tools to wedge up in here between the flywheel and the clutch drum here. And I cut it, grounded it down, came out perfect. And then I tilted it on its side. Well, this came off, I tilted on its side, so now I have access to the screw. The screw is much further down. You can't take it out still because there's a ring underneath it to hold it on. Took the angle grinder and I cut flat surface right here and another one right here. Took the adjustable wrench, put it on, spun it off, and here we go. Got access to it now. So yeah, a 20-minute job turns into a whole day ordeal. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it helped you out, you want to show love, just hit the thumbs up button. I'd like to know how yours turned out. Do this at your own risk. I'm not responsible for what happened, but I think that with a little common sense and a little patience, you could do this on your own. Save yourself a couple $100 in the process, or save you from scrapping the whole strimmer altogether because your clutch is worn out, the clutch plate is worn, the clutch drum is worn out, and you have to replace it. Anyways, if this helped you out, like I said, just drop me a thumbs up. Comment would be appreciated, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.